You know, when it comes to doing a backfill on a set of nails, sometimes the backfill can cost more than a full set or even equivalent to a full set. And I know some of y'all's gonna disagree with what I'm gonna say because y'all gonna be like, that's not true. A backfill, you use less product, so it should be cheaper. Why don't you just shut your ass down and let me talk for a minute, okay? If you come back for a backfill and you got all 10 fingers, everything's looking good, and you just want a different colors, that is fine. We're gonna charge you less than a full set, but you know there's a lot of clients out there, they ain't like that. Clients be coming into salon with 5 finger missing and they want to fill. Clients be coming with all the chipped nails, all the food, all the dirt, all the boogers under their nails, and we have to clean all of that up. Come on, that's not part of a fill. You want just to fill in your acrylic. Why do we have to do all the extra mile? That is why we have to charge you a little bit more for a fill, because of all the cleaning up. But if you're a good client, you're good with your nail, we ain't gonna go that far. But that's what I'm trying to say, y'all. Now y'all can stand up and start talking.